guys will not stop to amaze me. Excuse you, Governor Onyoshin, Escom, Olilanyo Mashawo, Olilanyan, they useless like you. Did you say that your God saved you? Did you say your God saved you? This is just a preamble. All the evil plan you planned against me, all the hoodlums you gathered with your affirmation and jpac, you errant two useless men. All the atrocity, all the evil you planned against me, you tagged me that someone erased in jpac ego just for Nigerian government to hook me for the rest of my life. You came out publicly. You organized your crime organizers. You organize hoodlums. You organize criminals. You organize all the criminals, on social media. You guys came to where someone kept me because I came to honor his father's burial. Oh, sorry, his father's memorial service. You guys humiliated me, and you vividly, you opened this your devilish, filtered mouth to say that Ogechi Okeke to tag me as a terrorist, for Nigerian government to tag me as a racist, and you're now saying that God saved you. This is just a preamble. Ishigigala nihi plan. Ishigigala. Nothing saves you. Agwaram ge fight me and be useless. Down running me that be useless for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter how long and how many years it will take. But one thing for sure, it will surely come to reality. It's just a go and balafa. Gary who useless for the rest of your life. Your life will join. As far as say, ni decide kona idea plan ya with the amusu all the kidnappers who need to kidnap me to take this head. As far as na kage no yan. On is my wish ebeno. On is my wish ebeno. Because Chanamite will not do anything for you. As far as you wish him dead, as far as you wish can the Nigerian government tag him as a terrorist, as far as a plan we sit down, sorry, as far as you sat down with all these killers, all these murderers, and planned for issue to be tagged a terrorist, this is just a number one. The next one, they will take your head. Whoever they are, anybody that attempted that move, I give titles to all of you. Uno is a target. Regain one again and take that pamusu. Ogechi. Now get you evidence. If you don't bring out that evidence, no more organized, just for you to hook me on the neck. Get any home poison me, menda. Because one of planet and how to take this life. And when all the plan now planning, oh God, may that mouth you open to call God to choke you and choke your generation. May that mouth you open to choke you and punish you and punish you. I did it. Okay, it is apprehended life. I did it. I did it. Okay, she captured alive. Oh my God. Uno la ni jemu. Uno la pa ni jemu. Mama chike putra mo wa. Shemne why you know what that will take my life. Mama mo wuchim. This is just a preamble. jpac, all of you, jpac or jpac, all of you that connived, planned evil. What people even set up an album. All of you that you tilaka. Life won't get miserable. Did I hear you saying God of Olanya instead of an idiot? That video. Oh God has done it. You just want to get fame that you will never get. I made the promise. Any double win the election or even election man. Even election okay na me that woro person ya okay na win again. Even Ogechi election in me, they win you because I cursed you. You will never amount to anything good. You will never amount to it. That's why I say plot or evil. You went to Abuja. Are you no longer in Abuja waiting for me? Go to Abuja and wait for me. Or you come to this Lagos and take me. Chineke Bogonu. The name that in the Nigerian government does not play with. You want to come and tag me that I is raising money on a plan here. God they make expose you stupidly. Because you try to put an out on with information. You will China can go no but you go China can go in the US. No. Only brother government China. Apagi Orilanyu Umake Haruka Kanike. You molested our children. Orilanya Musu. Look at you. You want to come and showcase camera. Hey, my God has the witch God. Which God do you impunity soul? Which God? You demonic evil soul? Which God? And then when time, video. And when time, this one just came into my example. I think 2 days or 3 days. Machine, hey, you that bullet. Hey, you that bullet bastard your fucking. Why did this your empty evil head? What would you planned evil against your sister? You planned evil against someone one. Kata Giamo as a terrorist. May you die a miserable death. May Chineke Boogie. They will come back again. Then I took it again. Survival. They will make sure that it's people in the moment we can win. Fire to fire. Fire to fire. Let that heaven fall. Fire to fire. Suffer not the witch.
The God of Olilanya. Na God, I just escaped one. God is awesome. Obinigo ekele deregi. Man.
I drive this car like say.
What thing I drive, I don't know.
I tell you.
I use drive this car, come on for there. Na God.
Na God.
Na God. Man. Na God. Olilanya Ndimo. Na God. Na God.